Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. The Knowledge School, Boys Campus, Class 5, Subject SST, Lecture number 19, Unit number 3, Citizenship, Lesson number 10, Information Communication. Students, लास्ट लेक्चर नंबर 18 में हमने लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन किए थे इन्फॉर्मेशन के. आज हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. Circle the correct answers. Number 1. Information conveyed on social media is always accurate, never correct, not always reliable. Correct answer is not always reliable. Number 2. Which of the following is not a form of print media? Magazines, leaflets, radio. Correct answer is radio. Number 3. The cheapest form of information is provided by newspapers, journals, magazines. The correct answer is newspapers. Number 4. Which of the following are you not likely to find in a newspaper? Crossword puzzle, a jingle, a report. The correct answer is a jingle. Number 5. Children can improve their writing skills and language by reading newspaper, texting messages, watching television. The correct answer is reading a newspaper.